Welcome back. Today we're exploring some of the most exciting new IKEA items that combine style, practicality, and affordability. Whether you're refreshing your home or simply looking for inspiration, these finds are sure to catch your eye. Let's dive in. 1. Stråla. This LED pendant lamp doubles as a decorative wreath, giving you freedom to hang it on the wall or from the ceiling. Its dimmable function lets you shift between moods, while built-in LEDs save energy and remove the need for bulb replacements. 2. Florsjön compact and practical, this 1-gallon tilt-open trash can is ideal for narrow bathrooms. The inner bucket is removable for easy cleaning, and the sleek beige design hides all hardware for a neat finish. Works with screws or adhesive mounting. 3. Hovet A statement mirror nearly 2 meters tall, framed in elegant gold. Hang it vertically for a full outfit check, or horizontally to visually expand your space. Safety film reduces risks if the glass ever breaks. 4. Ödleblad / sunneby. Made from birch veneer, this striking pendant lamp quickly becomes the focal point of a room. Flat-packed for convenience, it casts a soft glow through its large shade and has an adjustable cord for perfect height placement. 5. Bandslätting a rattan proofing basket that shapes dough into tall, attractive loaves while leaving a natural pattern on the crust. Durable and reusable, it requires light flouring before use and brings artisan bakery charm to your kitchen. 6. Vollerslev. This shag-style rug in soft beige features yarns of varying thickness for a rich texture. Its thick, high pile makes it comfortable for bare feet, dampens sound, and creates a cozy atmosphere in bedrooms or living spaces. 7. Heat. A cork trivet with playful blue speckles that protects surfaces from hot pots and pans. Natural cork is durable, lightweight, and uniquely patterned, adding everyday charm to both casual meals and festive occasions. 8. Dolkfisk. This set of 4 patterned holders keeps chopsticks or cutlery stable during meals. Their curved shape prevents rolling, while the blue decorative design adds a playful and elegant touch to your dining table. 9. Ålhult, a sleek bench with an ash veneer seat and black-brown frame. Slide it neatly under the table when not in use, or place it in the hallway for extra seating. Pair with the matching ålhult series for a coordinated look. 10. Lisabo minimalist and award-winning. The lisabo table is sturdy, yet easy to assemble with a single screw per leg. Ash veneer and solid birch give it warmth and durability, while its compact size suits everyday dining or work. 11. Bestow a versatile storage unit with drawers and doors in oak effect and beige. Adjustable shelves and soft close drawers let you tailor it to your needs, while the top provides display or serving space, ideal for organized living. 12. Småsnöre, a flexible LED decorative lamp offering 9 colors and 2 brightness levels. Its memory function saves your last choice, and you can direct the light up or down. Perfect for adding atmosphere to any room. 13. Ladusvala, a trio of Tealight holders in coordinated colors designed by Junyi Liu. Their stackable form saves storage space, while their simple shapes create an elegant table setting or warm ambiance for both homes and cafes. 14. Narrkolv pendant lamp, crafted in rattan with subtle metal accents. It casts both direct light on your dining table and soft shadows around the room, offering natural warmth that evolves beautifully over time. 15. Kinashe. This small green waste bin includes a lid and can be hung on the wall with self-adhesive tape or placed freestanding. Made with more than 50% recycled plastic, it's easy to clean and ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. 16. Molam Road, a gaming desk designed for full immersion with electric sight stand adjustment and arms for up to 3 monitors. Built-in cable management, USB ports, and dimmable lighting make it practical, while hooks and pegboard keep gear organized. 17. Ragberg compact and functional. This solid pine coat rack includes a shelf with raised edges. Its untreated wood can be left natural or painted, and it fits 3 to 5 hangers, plus a knob for extra items like bags or scarves. That's our roundup of the latest IKEA finds. From cozy lighting to smart storage and gaming-ready desks, these pieces show how style and function go hand in hand. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more IKEA inspiration.